XRP, we start with 1 hour chart. We want to see how we can look for trade. If we compare to, we refer to my last analysis, we mentioned we can expect the price to drop, and this is what we get. And even we mentioned we can expect the price to drop to 0.8585 cent. Okay, almost there's somewhere around 86, and no one see whether this is the start of the down move or not. Okay, anyway, even if this is the start of the down move, we need to see the correction as a flag or deeper correction that can confirm the continuation. This is where we can look for sell. But right now, we don't have any trade set up either for sell or buy. And if the price is going to drop, we just let it go unless we see the deeper correction of flag, as I mentioned. But mostly we want to see whether we can look for buy or not. If we want to look for buy, the only way is if we put this one as a expanding flat. But right now we cannot confirm because since like within this candle, we need to confirm whether there is a continuation or not. But if we want to look for trade, right now we have this correction for buy. And right now I'm talking about the buy. Anyway, if we move to higher time frame, we want to see how we can look at the chart. As we can see, based on daily chart, almost we are at the lowest, the bottom of this correction. And even we can expect this one turn to a deeper move, but mostly we are looking for the reversal. Okay, that's mean if we move to 4 hour chart, we want to see whether we can consider this one as a correction in relative to this move, or we can put this one in relative to any of this, then that's mean the price can drop. That's mean this one can turn to a deeper move. That's why we mentioned if we can expect the price drop to 85 cents right now, either based on 1 hour chart or 4 hour chart, we don't have any confirmation for the next move. The only thing says, all right, if we want to look for sell, we have to see the correction. If the price continue as a short move, we just let it go, and mostly we're looking for buy. Right now, if we want to look for buy, if we get any reversal as a short move flag, this is the only way we can look for trade, or we put our entry above, either above here, which is around 88, or we put it above the stop. It depends on the traders. Okay, but for me, since the price broke this small correction, I think we having entry above this one also is okay. That means somewhere around, maybe somewhere around 88, 18. We put it around 89, just a bit higher above higher, a bit higher above this move. And what we want in case the price sharply reverse, because still we're looking at this as a correction. Okay, even we can look at this one as expanding flat. But as I mentioned, if there is a continuation with the breakout of the 85 cent, then having entry above this is not valid. All right, or if we see the continuation with the correction of flag that can confirm the next down move, this is how we can look for sell. Rather than that, we cannot sell. Selling right now is not a really good idea, okay, unless we get the trade setup. And right now we want to see whether we can look at this one as a correction. Can we get the reversal or not? And if we wants to look for buy, either we get the sharp move flag, or we put our entry around 0.8989 cent can be an option. Or even if we put a bit higher above, somewhere around 80, around 90, somewhere around here. That means 0. Exact value 0 will be 0.903. Okay, that means traders then can, if they want having entry by getting the trade by having entry above this correction, they can put their entry somewhere between 0.89 and 0.903. All right, within this range. And what we want in case the price sharply reverse, if the price reverse as a sharp move, we want to see the breakout and continuation. But if the price tag we see is not moving, within the first or maximum second hours, we take out the trade. This is the only way we can look for trade if the price reverse and if we put this one as expanding flat. Rather than that, we don't have any other option. All right. Anyway, having entry above this within this zone is really risky. It depends on the traders. But if they can take their risk and they know how to manage, it can be an option. Rather than that, they just let it go. They wait for the trade setup. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.